Indoor plants are a great way to add a touch of nature to your home. Not only do they look beautiful, but they can also help purify the air and reduce stress. Growing indoor plants can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it does require some knowledge and care. Here are some tips for growing indoor plants successfully. 1. Choose the right plant. Before you start growing indoor plants, it's important to choose the right one for your home. Consider factors such as light levels, temperature, humidity, and soil type when selecting a plant. Some popular houseplants include spider plants, pothos, peace lilies, and snake plants. 2. Provide adequate light. Most indoor plants need at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight each day in order to thrive. If your home doesn't get enough natural light, you may need to invest in artificial lighting such as grow lights or fluorescent bulbs. 3. Water regularly. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes made when growing indoor plants. Make sure you water your plant only when the soil is dry to the touch and avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot or other problems. 4. Fertilize. Fertilizing your indoor plants will help them stay healthy and grow strong roots and foliage. Use a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season, spring through fall. Avoid fertilizing during winter months when growth slows down significantly. 5. Prune. Pruning is an important part of caring for indoor plants as it helps promote healthy growth and prevents them from becoming overgrown or leggy looking. Prune away dead or damaged leaves and stems regularly with sharp scissors or pruning shears to keep your plant looking its best. With these tips in min_vertical_bar_d, you'll be well on your way to successfully growing beautiful indoor plants that will bring life into any room. You'll be well on your way to successfully growing beautiful indoor plants that will bring life into any room.